Hey everybody, it's Mr. Herman. I'm back again. Another video. This time we're going to be talking about our assignment for Monday. It's going to be how to find the volume of rectangular prisms. This is going to be it's a pretty simple one. I think most of you will be appreciative of that. So it gets harder in the next couple of days, but this one's pretty easy. So we've just got a couple lessons this week. Tomorrow we'll do the triangular prisms volume, and then Wednesday we'll do pyramids volumes, and then we'll have a quiz on Thursday, and then you're on break. So let's give this first one a shot here. First of all, we have to know the formula for these, and the formula is an easy one. It's kind of similar to the formula for a rectangle. So it's going to be the volume is equal to the base area times the height. One of the changes now with three-dimensional shapes is you've got a capital B. The capital B is the same as two lowercase letters times each other. So it's a base area instead of just one linear distance, like say 5 or 8 or 6. It's 5 times 6. So what we're going to do is, on all these problems, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to identify the base area. It's easy on these. It does get a little harder later, but for these it's pretty easy. So I'm going to use whatever it's sitting on for right now. That's the easy way to pick for these. So that's going to be this one right here. So our base area is the bottom. And think of a base as the bottom. It isn't always going to be the bottom, though. Keep that in mind. But on today's lesson, it will be. So base area, the capital B, is going to be 6 times 5. It's this bottom piece. If we take that bottom piece and multiply it by, stack it up times the height, that's how we get our volume. So it's how much it takes to fill it up. So we're going to go 6 times 5 times 8. So it's going to be 30 times 8, which is 240. So the volume is 240 inches. And remember, we multiplied 1, 2, 3 things. Since we multiplied 3 things by each other, it's going to be to the third power. That's the three-dimensional. There's our first one. Let's try the second one now. The second one's over here on the side. I'm going to make a little space for this one. Up a little bit here. There we go. On this one, it's a similar process. Identify your base area first. So the volume equals the base area times the height. Base area here is 7 by, it looks like 7 by 4. This 4 comes down here. So it's going to be volume equals 7 times 4 times the height of 3. Also, another little trick you can use is that the height is the distance between the bases. If you think about the bottom and the top being the same, it's the distance between them. Okay. So we got the volume equal to, let's go, we can go 7 times 12, which I believe is 84, isn't it? I'm a little rusty here. 7 times 12, 84, yeah. So we got 84 here. And it's going to be in meters, and again, it's cubed, because it's volume. We have 2 more examples to make sure you get this one, okay? So here's the next one over here. Base area is going to be the 10 by 7. And again, if you want to pause the video at any time, you can pause it and then try it yourself and then come back and check and see if you got it right. So our volume is equal to the base area times the height. Base area is 10 times 7. And then the height is 9. Remember, the height has to be 90 degrees also, which it is in all these examples if you look. Times 9. So 7 times 9 is 63, times 10 is 630 centimeters cubed. There's that one. Now let's do this last one over here, which is, again, a little bit, same thing, just got a little bit harder numbers because it's got decimals. And the volume is equal to the base area times the height. The base area is this bottom piece. Remember, it's a rectangular prism, which means it has a rectangular bottom or base. 2.7 times 3. And then the height is going to be 2. I think 2.7 times 3 is 8.1. Times 2 would be 16.2. Better check that, though. You know me in class, and I was getting things right. So 2.7 times 3 times 2, 16.2. And that's going to be in feet cubed. I hope this video helped you out a little bit with today's lesson. Give them a shot, check the answer key, and let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you turn it in with a picture of the assignment. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.